Surgery death in Doral has investigators looking for answers. A woman from Illinois went to a clinic and then had an medical emergency. Local 10 News has uncovered that the doctor who was working on her has had problems in the past. For more, we go to Local 10 News reporter Amy Viteri, who's live in Southwest Miami-Dade. Amy?
Well, Nikki, this is just the latest death involving a young woman traveling from out of state to South Florida for a cosmetic procedure. And this one happened yesterday inside the Seduction Cosmetic Center, which is in the office building behind me. And we've learned that the doctor who was involved has been disciplined before for hurting patients. And in fact, the state revoked his license, but he's been able to keep practicing without any restrictions while he appeals that decision.
Seduction Cosmetic Center's Doral office was closed Friday, a day after the death of patient Latia Baumeister. Police say the 30-year-old traveled from Illinois for a cosmetic procedure Thursday morning, but died after complications. A violation notice says the city closed the center due to emergency conditions and a risk to public health.
I did general surgery first.
Police say Osak Omulepu, seen here in a promotional video, is the doctor involved in Baumeister's procedure. But Florida's Board of Medicine revoked his license last year after 4 botched procedures at other clinics. Complaints included fat injections into a patient's sciatic nerve and repeatedly puncturing the patient's bowels. Omulepu was appealing that decision, and meanwhile, a court ruled he can work with no restrictions.
Do you want to say anything to your patients or people who may be concerned about something like this happening at your facility?
Okay, but you don't have to come to my house.
We went to the home of Seduction Cosmetic Center's president, Gretel Jardin, to ask about Omulepu working at the clinic.
Can you talk to us about why this doctor was working at the center?
She didn't want to do an interview about what happened Thursday.
So this is a story? So it's a story that somebody died, it's a story? Wow.
Can you at least talk with us about this doctor's previous violations and why you had him working at your center? Well, no answers there, but we did get a statement from Dr. Omulepu's attorney saying that he is devastated by what happened, and this is the first patient death that he has had to deal with. In the meantime, investigators still looking into exactly what led to Latia Baumeister's death. In the meantime, this clinic will remain closed until a date is set for a hearing to address those code violations. Among them, 6 of the doctors working in this office not having the proper business license to be working here in the city. We're live in Doral, Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.